But after thy transgression, thy bright nature was withdrawn from thee, and it was not left to thee to see the things afar off, but only at hand, after the ability of the flesh, for it is brutish. Now, the flesh, we went over this before, and we did a separate little teaching inside of this, that the flesh is not the body. The body is different than the flesh. The flesh is the animalistic nature. Now, the nature we had the first time was the nature of God, which would be the nature of light, which would make us a bright light. We were filled with that nature. But now after sin, we have the nature of the animals. Now, the animals have the nature of darkness, because everything that was created from below is created from the spirit Archaeus. The spirit Archaeus is the darkness. And God said that everything that comes from below will be created from you. Adal was the spirit of light. Everything that was created from above was created from him. God says that that flesh is brutish. The word brutish means animalistic. It means uncivilized. Uncivilized means barbaric. It has no rules and regulations. So this is why animals don't have the command, thou shalt not kill. Because they don't have laws. They move off of nature, instinct. They have no guidelines in that. They're barbaric. They're uncivilized. Laws make you civil. If you don't have laws, you're uncivil. So animals were uncivilized. They can eat each other, kill each other, and it was no consequence to them. But when we sinned, we took on that nature. Now, here's the problem. We took on that nature, but we were supposed to be civil. But now we have a nature of an untamed beast. So now we have to tame that nature, because we still have to obey the commands, thou shalt not kill. So this nature entered in, and it was uncivil. This is why God said it was brutish. Now I hope you can understand what brutish means. Uncivilized. This is why you can have people commit incest, rape. That's working off of that nature, because it's uncivilized. When you're living in the brutish nature that sin produced, that rebellion produced, you think it's right when you're doing that nature. But the law, which is the nature of light, tells you that that nature of darkness is wrong. But if you're living in darkness, how can we tell you that your darkness is wrong? You are a part of that darkness. You understand what I'm saying? So we have to understand what the brutish nature is. It's a nature outside of light. It's an uncivil nature that doesn't abide by civilization, law-abiding citizens.